Alright guys, back again. I think this will be the last cold start. I can't really find anything else to really do. Yeah, the lawnmower, but whatever. But let's see this thing. It doesn't have any gas really, so I don't think it's going to start, but it might go for a bit. Okay, we got some. Should be good. Choke. Oh my god. It's not blood. It just looks like it's the special kind of oil or gas, whatever, leaked through. Alright. Here we go. See how it goes. Okay, kind of fired. Alright, there you guys go. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Any requests, just let me know.